everyone. I Sophia B, Admin Manager of British Kids International Preschool. Today we are here for taking our teaching session from Mrs. Maria Ma'am. Today we heartily welcome Mrs. Maria Ma'am in British Kids School. She is from Dubai and today she introduced our teachers teaching methods, like how we can teach our students for a smooth learning and to easily understanding of the concept. So Mrs. Maria Ma'am, I please want you to please introduce yourself.
Sure. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I am Maria Mahmood and I was residing in Delhi and I worked there for around 10 years in an experiential school. From there I moved to Dubai and I am working as a parenting coach and an educator trainer also. And I worked in Dubai for 2 years. Currently I am in a British curriculum school working as a teacher and helping out parents for my parenting session also.
So ma'am, today you have given us very best and motivational tips like how we can teach our students in the classes. So I just wanted to ask you your experience, like what difference you have noticed in India and in Dubai.
Since Dubai is a multicultural city, so there I got a lot of experience from diverse backgrounds, and if I just hold them on and make them like a lump sum thing, consolidate them, then the major difference in parents and teachers was their tone. Like the tone in which they speak to the children, the way they motivate the children, and instead of using negative reinforcement, the positive reinforcement is being used to empower the child into an entity and make his own identity instead of letting him doubt himself and having a low self-esteem. So my major focus is also on the well-being of a child first, because if the child is happy and his or her well-being is good, then only he can be good in academics, good as a friend, good as a daughter or son, or be in any aspect of relationship. Until and unless you are mentally satisfied and happy, then only you can be good in other areas of your life.
As I've told you before also that we focused on quality of education. So today we have organized a teaching session in our school, and so I just wanted to ask Mrs. Maria Ma'am that which tips and tricks you can provide to our teachers, and so that they can excel in their teaching powers, and we can also introduce the parents and the peoples of Rampur of India that what are the qualities teachers should have.
That's a lovely question. First of all, I would start with changing the mindset of the teacher as being the sole responsible identity and entity in the class, who is responsible for everything. All the children, they are not coming blank from their surroundings and homes. So for everything, they have a basic idea. So instead of teaching a teacher being the sole thing and sole information provider in the class, we can collaborate with the children, and the children will learn better also in that scenario. That when they are when they are constructing their own learning, they are learning from their friends, not just from the teacher. It will be a happier place.
Thank you ma'am, your words and thoughts really motivate and inspire us. Thank you for your words, your times, your efforts. We truly appreciate your presence here. Thank you so much ma'am. So dear all, I just wanted to tell you कि हम अपने स्कूल में इस तरीके के टीचिंग सेशंस ऑर्गेनाइज करते रहते हैं, और हमारा जो मोटिवेशन रहता है ये ऑर्गेनाइज करने का, वो टीचर्स को इम्प्रूव करना होता है उनकी टीचिंग स्किल्स में, उनकी टीचिंग टेक्निक्स में, लाइक वो कैसे अपने बच्चों को हैंडल करते हैं, स्टूडेंट्स को उनकी स्टडीज़ में, उनकी स्किल्स में, उनको एक्टिविटीज़ में एनकरेज करते हैं, इम्प्रूव करते हैं, और एक बेटर वर्ल्ड को हम डेवलप करते हैं. सो इसी के साथ हम मैम का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं हमारे स्कूल में आने के लिए, और मैं सभी पेरेंट्स से गुजारिश करती हूँ कि अपने बच्चों को अच्छा भविष्य देने के लिए अच्छी शिक्षा प्रदान करें, और अच्छी शिक्षा हम अपने ब्रिटिश किड्स स्कूल में प्रोवाइड करते हैं. तो आप एक बार हमारे स्कूल ज़रूर विज़िट करें, एडमिशन्स करवाएं, और डिफरेंस आप अपने बच्चे में खुद देखें. थैंक यू सो मच.